Welcome, and thank you for downloading the Rock Indian Nature Guide app. I'm your nature guide, Ranger Mike. Let's talk about rocks. Indian Rock Nature Guide has developed the GeoScan app. This app will allow you to look at rocks around you and measure the qualities within. Just hold your phone's camera to the rock. And this app will automatically scan any geodestined surface. So let's go and scan a rock. Great, you've scanned a rock. Unfortunately, this is an average quality rock. Keep scanning and find another. Keep scanning to find better minerals. Now remember, it's very important to find a good rock. You found an amazing rock. The qualities in this rock are quartz, diamond. This is a great find. By the way, Ellen, yes you, Ellen Chen, you should turn around now.
Put the ring on her! Put it on her finger.
Yay! Yay!
And one more part about Indian rock history. It was at this very spot that Chris asked Ellen if she would marry him. She said,
Congratulations, Christopher and Ellen.
Congratulations.
We wish you a lifetime full of happiness and joy.
Just wanted to say congratulations.
Congratulations on finding the perfect rock. I'm so excited for you.
Time to get drunk.
Congratulations.
Congratulations on the new upgraded life.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Chris and Ellen. This is Ellen. Ellen.
Congratulations on your engagement.
Congratulations to your boss.
Ellen, are you sure you're ready to join this family? It's gonna be a hoot. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Congratulations. Whoa, we didn't see that coming.
Wah, wah, wah.
You know what? I turned down Chris too. Oh, that sucks.
Time to get drunk.
Good luck.
Are you kidding me?
Bling, bling.
Bling bling.
Dang, I'm not even zooming in. That's awesome. Are you still filming? Congratulations, yeah. So this is I guess our second date, and I brought Ellen by because recently we have been doing a lot of nature hikes together, and I thought there'd be a lot of sentimental value here, and also talking about rock and the importance of finding a good rock. A good rock. Good rock.